Quick tutorial: how to add an admin to your Facebook page.
I will show you how to do this from both mobile and desktop, so feel free to skip to the right section. Open your Facebook app, go to the menu, Pages. On the page that you want to give access to, click on Switch Now. Go back to the menu, Settings, Page Settings. Scroll down to Page Access. Click on Add New. Next, now type in the name of the user you want to give access to. There's a trick here. In case you don't see the name or the profile of the person showing up, you can add the person as a friend and it will show up. Select the name, so you can leave it as it is to give the above permissions, or you can turn on the full control and the person will have full access as you. Be careful when you give this access. So once you determine your permission, click on Give Access. Enter your Facebook password and confirm to give the access. So now the person will get the notification here and he or she will be able to accept the invitation. Now for the desktop, go to facebook.com, go to Pages. If you don't see Pages, click on See More and it will show up. On the page you want to give access, click on Switch Now. Go to Settings. New Pages Experience, Page Access, and click on Add New. Now type in the name of the person you want to give the access to. If the person's profile doesn't show up, you can add the person as a friend and it will show up. Now determine the permission you want to give. You can leave it as it is, or you can turn on the full control to give all the control just like you have to the person as well. Be careful when you give this permission. Click on Give Access. Enter your Facebook password and click Confirm to confirm the permission. He or she will receive the invitation through the Facebook notification